Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So this is a video that I saw Nicole Burgess do, or it's a recipe that I saw Nicole Burgess do on her channel, and the kids and I really liked it, and we had some extra zucchini. It's called zucchini au gratin. I actually saw Daniela Diaries do this, but she did hers with radishes. But we had some extra zucchini after we made the first one yesterday. We had a friend over for dinner, and she loved it as well. So we're going to recreate this. The one thing that I don't think I have any more of are the onions and pepper blend. I think I'm out of that. But I'm going to put together a zucchini au gratin, and I thought you might like to see that. Alright you guys, so what I did here was I layered the zucchini, a little bit of onion, just a touch of onion, black pepper and salt. I used some diced green chilies. In her recipe she used a pepper jack cheese, but I did not have pepper jack. I only had like Monterey Colby Jack blend, so I just added in some pepper jack, some diced green chilies to kind of give it a little bit of something. It's not spicy at all. And then what I'm adding to that is this creamy mixture. There is a half a cup. She calls for heavy whipping cream, but I was trying to save my heavy whipping cream, so I used a half a cup of half and half and a half a cup of sour cream. Also 2 tablespoons of butter, a little bit of xanthan gum. We just warmed it enough to melt that butter, and if you can tell, I'm just stirring it around, and it gives it that heavy cream consistency. So we're just going to take this and pour it all over this zucchini au gratin, and we want to get all of it out. Make sure you do a good job of getting it all in. My last step is I'm just going to add a few bacon bits over the top. And I'm going to do a quarter cup. So this is 1/8 of a cup. So I'm going to do 2 of those. Right on top, and just spread them out if they kind of get clumped up a little bit. This is going into a 375-degree oven for 45 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And here it is, you guys. This is the zucchini au gratin. It is all nice. It's still bubbling. If you can look in there and see, it's still bubbling. We just pulled it out of the oven. It does put off a little bit of juice, which was no problem for us. And of course, I didn't put sour cream in it last time I made it, but this is what it looks like with the sour cream. We did put those few bacon bits on the top, and it's going to be lovely. We're pairing this with this is oven fried chicken. So what I did is I cleaned some chicken thighs just in case, because I posted a picture of this on Facebook, and some people were asking about the recipe. It's crispy. So what I did was I cleaned some chicken thighs. I put a little bit of almond flour, and we had some pork rinds that we needed to use, and so we ground those up into make breadcrumbs. I mixed those with the almond flour. Then I just seasoned up the chicken really good, put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then I dredged it in the flour, in the almond flour and pork rind mixture. Put it on a sheet pan just like this with foil. Put it in the oven. I think we did 350 degrees for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes, because we did it at the same time that we did this, so maybe 375. But we did it until it was nice, crispy, and golden brown, and that's what it looks like. So anywho, the kids and I are going to have lunch real fast, and we just thought you wanted to see what our zucchini au gratin looked like. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Remember to subscribe it out, give us a like, share it if you think it's shareable, and we'll see you next time. Bye now. Where's my thing? Alrighty, you guys, so I thought I would give you a bonus cook with me. Just a really simple cook with me. So this is butter. I have like 1 full stick and a tablespoon because that was all that was left. And this is really simple. So I just let it cook in here to become a brown butter sauce. That means let it warm through. Don't let it burn. So I'm going to turn it down now. And then I had a rotisserie chicken from Costco that a friend brought over last night. She comes on Monday night to have dinner with us. And she always insists on bringing a chicken. Well, she brought 2. So we had leftovers. Now, if I had friends coming over, I would not use my hands. So, but I don't have friends. It's just my kids. I've turned my burner back. I've peeled the chicken off of the bone. And what I'm doing now is I'm just putting this rotisserie chicken into this sauce. And then I'm going to show you how to quickly finish this up. The brown butter sauce is, the brown sauce is already brown. So I'm just going to take this and start moving it around. Now this will pop, so careful of it, especially if you have little kids that are standing around, because this will pop. You may need more or less butter depending on how large your chicken is, but I've got some pieces in here that are still getting coated. Okay, so I've got that coated in the butter, and then I'm going to add in 3 more ingredients, and then I'll be done. All right, y'all, so I have the chicken in the brown butter sauce. Remember, I browned the butter first. I didn't put the chicken in with the butter yellow. I let it brown. I did not let it burn. Then I stirred my chicken all around. So this only takes 3 more ingredients, and 2 if you just want 2. So I'm going to take some of the Truvia brown sugar, and that's probably right at a tablespoon and a half. I do 2 tablespoons if I had to. I don't. So I'm just going to do what I have. And then I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1/4 to 1/2 a cup of heavy whipping cream. And that is all you need to make a delicious sauce. And so you just want to work it around. You just want to work it around. You can put this on top of cauliflower rice. Last night we had this with the Keto Zucchini au Gratin. And it changes to like a creamy, oven's ready, like a creamy caramel sauce almost. If you had a little bit of sour cream and you wanted to add that in to thicken up your sauce a little bit, you could. So the last thing we're going to add in here is about 2 tablespoons of chopped bacon bits. And then we're just going to toss that around. So that's about what we need. And then we're just going to toss this around and let it just soak up all of those juices. And this is pretty much ready to go. So I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. It's really good. The kids liked it. You've got white meat, you have dark meat, and you have this like creamy sauce. Again, you can just put that over your cauliflower rice if that's what you want to have. Or what we did was just dump this into a big platter and people just served themselves from the platter. So you could put that in the middle of your table, and that would be what people would serve themselves from. So I just thought you guys would enjoy that little bit of a recipe share. So there it is.